In this video, I'm going to show you some of the relationship that exists in a quadratic equation. One of it is that quadratic equation can exist in form of what? An equational form. Okay, let me put it equational form. So example of such is what? Y is equal to what? X squared minus 6x plus 8. Okay, this is a classical example of a quadratic equation. Okay, and what the major one is this exponent. Okay, this exponent simplify that is what? This is what? A quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation can be in form of a table. Okay, whereby we have a one to one correspondence. We have input and output where there's the x and y value. Okay, so if I want to put in a tabular form, let me put it this. Second one is that it can exist in a table. So this, if we want to put in a table, you always have this our x and y value. Okay, so let's assume we have these values. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, and we have 5. And so let's see our value. So if we substitute 1 into this particular equation, we're going to have this 1 minus 6 plus 8. Okay, so 1 plus 8 is what? Is 9. 9 minus this minus 6 is what? Is 3. So we substitute 2. We're going to substitute 2 into this equation. You're going to have this 4 minus this 12 plus 8. So this plus this is 12 minus 12. So we have a 0. So if we have to substitute 3, it's going to be 9 minus 6 bracket 3 plus 8. So this is 9 minus 18 plus 8. So this plus this is what? Is 17. And if you have 17 minus 8 minus 18, you're going to have what? Minus 1. Okay, we're going to have minus 1. If you have to substitute 4 into this equation, you're going to have 4 times 4, which is what? 16, minus 6 times 4 is going to be what? 24 plus 8. Okay, so 16 plus 8, you're going to have 16 plus 8 is going to have what? 24, and 24 minus 24 is going to have what? 0. Okay, so we have to substitute 5 into this equation. You're going to have 25 minus this 30 plus what? 8. Okay, so this plus this, so 25 plus 8, we're going to have 33, and 33 minus 30, we're going to have 3. Okay, so these are the values of x and y. So I use this particular equation as my reference point to get my y value. Okay, so a quadratic equation can also exist in tabular form, and for this tabular form you can get our third form in which a quadratic equation can occur. And quadratic equation can occur in what? In a graphical form. Okay, so let me write it. Number 3 can occur in what? In a graphical form. Okay, let me use this value to plot my graph. Okay, so let me clean this side. I'm going to clean this side. Definitely you're going to make reference to our x and y value. Okay, so definitely the highest in our, this is our x, this is our x plus x, this minus x, and this is for plus y, this is for minus y. This is our origin 0. Okay, what, since it's a quadratic equation, we are expecting this a parabola shape. Okay, I'm expecting that this u shape, the one you call the u shape. So that is what I'm expecting. So let's plot the graph if it goes well. Okay, so let's take our values. Let's say the highest here is 5. That is at the x axis. So let's put the scale of okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this the same thing. 2, 3, 4, minus, minus, minus. Okay, This one is the highest of this one is 3. So let's put this 1, this minus 2, minus 3. This is the positive side, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so when s is 1, y is what? Is 3. When s is 1, y is what? Y is 3. So we're going to trace it up. Okay, this in this side. When s is 2, y is 0. When s is 2, y is what? 0. When s is 3, y is minus 1. When s is 3, y is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 is essentially in this side. So let's, when s is 4, y is 0. When s is 4, y is 0. Okay. And when s is 5, y is 3. When s is y is 3. Let me take it up and up to what? To 3. Okay. So we are expecting this what? This parabolic shape. So let me use my freehand sketch to sketch it. I'm sorry, my hand is it's not that straight, but I believe you understand what I'm trying to draw. So I'm going to have this shape, this U shape. Okay. So there's certain point called axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry should be is the line that divides the U shape into two. Called is what? AOX. Okay, axis of symmetry. Why this is what we call the vertex. This is what we call the vertex. Okay. The tip of this U shape is what we call the vertex. Okay. So these are the basic things you need to understand when we're talking about quadratic relationship. Okay. For this lesson, it's understood that the relationship between quadratic equation is that it can exist in a equational form, in a tabular form, and in graphical form. I also make use of this equation y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8 as my reference point. Okay, as a beginner, this is what you need to understand. Okay, so for more informative content, don't forget to like, share, and follow my channel, James Maths Academy. Until see you next time, thank you.